Ready to let's binge.
Okay, hello. It is started. Welcome, Mr. Khurana. Finally.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, suddenly you just mellowed the
Yeah,
sound.
I just
I was like, I was all pumped, and then you were just like, yeah, hi. Like,
how are you? Yeah. See, this is my podcast voice. It should be very
oh,
calming and soothing for the person listening. You know,
oh, wow. I don't
I'm
want
just
people.
messing with you.
I don't want people to fall asleep. Very calming, very soothing.
Sleep podcast.
Sleep podcast. So when I was thinking about Instagram or whatever and stories, I realized that it first started with Snapchat, right? Snapchat had this whole
Yeah,
story thing which was there for like 24 hours, and it,
yeah.
yeah. And then 2016 or 2017, we had Instagram stories, right? Around
I
that
don't know
time.
the year, but yeah, Instagram came and took over Snapchat or sub Snapchat bhul gaye. And
Like, and
they
forgot
really
it in a
tried.
second, dude. Like,
Yeah,
it didn't take time. I think the day it came out, I was like, oh, what is this stories? Oh, you can post it. Oh, nice.
yeah.
Gone. Not gone back to Snapchat. Like,
Finished.
I don't even have it on my phone anymore.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah, same. Instagram stories, I remember when it came, I was like, oh, ये लोग ने copy किया है Snapchat में, तो Snapchat use करूंगा this that, and then cut to.
got you. What's up?
हाँ,
And I think that changed the ball game completely for Instagram, because I see people constantly on their stories. I mean, chalo, I also post, and I know you also post, but then I know a lot of people who are posting every like half an hour or 1 hour about everything that they're doing.
yeah. I think it's just become like a fad, no? Like, के मतलब you have to post what you're doing. Like you're having coffee, it looks good. Oh, I'll post it. My friends should also know that I'm having coffee that looks good. I don't think it's a bad thing. I mean, it's cool. Like if you're doing it, you're enjoying it. As long as खाना वाना ठंडा नहीं हो रहा है बीच में. That happens.
But
तंदूरी चिकन बनाया और इतना फोटो लिया कि
by
ठंडा
the
हो
time, and
गया.
you're just so excited and like so excited to really eat this
Yeah.
yum food that I made, and actually when you're eating, you're just like sad and like it's
Yeah,
really
yeah.
cold.
It's really helped us in lockdown, no? Because like उसके बिना तो क्या ही करते थे? How would we share with our friends that I'm fucking eating
It's so
tandoori chicken.
important that I have to share it with my friend कि भाई तुम भूखे हो, पता है घर पे अकेले हो, पर देखो मैं तो तंदूरी चिकन खा रहा हूँ.
But I feel like it's important in a way where right now because we are so deprived of other human beings. Like that one message of someone saying, "Oh, looks good, yaar. Hey, send me na, bro. Hey, we fast karte." That also like feels good. Like somewhere it's like, oh, at least I'm important. At least I'm relevant. That
Relevant.
yeah, that I'm doing something that other people are not doing, or some shit like that. I don't know, man. Somewhere in the head, it just feels good. I feel, I guess.
No, I completely agree. It feels good, and that's the reason why so many people post something. Now I'm posting something because I'm hoping to get a reply from somebody about something, right? But and I agree with what you're saying. Ki maybe during the lockdown, it's something that's necessary because that's the only way we are sort of connecting with the people outside and knowing what
Yeah.
the world is doing. But I'm talking about like before the lockdown, before this whole like corona came and like fucked our lives. But
Mm.
before that, also people were like posting stories like crazy, man. And I'm okay with the posting of stories and filters that came out about which Pokemon are you, or which fucking, I don't know, Harry Potter character you are, or what you're going to be doing in 2021. I started having a major issues with these beauty filters, in fact.
Mm.
You know?
Why? I didn't find them. It's nice, man.
That's what, but like you literally, like, I feel like I was reading up like, last year or something, I was reading something as to the number of people who, after these filters have come out, how many people have gone to get surgeries done. Do you know that?
Oh, wow. Okay. I mean, yeah, I know what you're saying.
Ah,
But I mean, just stop reading up then. Fuck
wow.
it.
Oh,
You know
wow.
what I mean?
Stop knowing about the world. Like, just like be happy. I mean, that's a
Dude,
different story.
honestly, that's my formula nowadays. Like, I just live my life quietly. I don't bother about what anyone's doing. I don't bother about what's happening because, bro, what's happening? Like, you know what I mean? Like, how much can you give a fuck about everything in the world? So, what you're saying is also fine. I mean, honestly, I just enjoy the filters. I think it's for time pass.
See,
But
that's you.
that's the thing with anything. No, it's like Eclairs releasing a new flavor, which is amazing.
Hmm.
Suppose it's Choco Blast. I don't know. I mean, you and me are okay eating it. Some guy eats it, goes mad, buys 10,000 of them, gets diabetes and dies. You know what I mean? Like it can happen with anything. So I don't think you should blame the filter itself.
I'm liking the filters because that's what I mean. Okay, I was saying that every individual is different. Maybe like you've taken it in the right way. Ki हाँ today I've not put like I've not slept well or I'm not looking great. तो क्या मैंने अपना ऐसा मस्त वाला photo डाल के woke up this way or like going out today or whatever, and suddenly you're happy because I'm looking great in the photo. But
Hmm.
a lot of people. Um, I know a lot of people who don't take photos without any filters
Hmm. Hmm.
because they think that what they are looking like is not going to be at the ideal Instagram look, is going to look lesser than that. Sometimes I'm not looking great, man. Some days you don't wake up looking amazing every day. So, and
Yeah.
it,
God, are you serious? I thought
and actors to feel like anytime I
amazing.
say
It's
amazing.
glow. This is not my
Glow.
ring light. This is my
Just
natural
imagine
glow.
glow. उभर रहा है मेरा
But
त्वचा.
यार, honestly, bro, मतलब I just feel like ठीक है ना, bro. अगर किसी को करना है, तो उसमें as long as see, there's two things to it, right?
Hmm.
अगर उस person को उस चीज से harm हो रहा है, तो उसको फर्क पड़ना चाहिए ना. Why would you care so much unless it's your best friend or your sister or your good friend? Then फायदा है ना उसको भी कुछ बोल के. अब उसको वैसा ही करना है. He wants to live his life like that. He wants to be happy in that bubble. Then let him do it. I feel like that. I don't know why I've like become like this. Like जिसको जो करना है करो
To
यार.
each their
मतलब
own.
yeah, and fuck that also. It's just like bro, like stop. I feel like people should just stop bothering about what other people are doing. Always like just
But
जिसको जो
Sridhar,
करना है
how
करो.
is that possible if they're not bothering? Everybody is bothered about what other people are doing, and that's why stories did so well.
Correct. So it's not going to happen. What I'm talking about is an idealistic world.
Yeah,
But
obviously.
I'm trying to live by that. No, because I genuinely also I don't have the time, the inclination, the I don't know, the anything to be bothered. Like I'll get little bit affected. Like अरे bro ये सब के बीच में वो Maldives जा रहा है. Like little bit. But उसके बाद मतलब शाम को मैं भूल जाता हूँ. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but see, that's because you relatively are having your life is not that bad comparatively to that person who's just gone to Maldives. But there are other
Fair
people
enough.
who are majority maybe of people who are very far behind from that life. You know.
100%. And today, actually, today I read Shobha Day's article in Bombay Times, and
Mhm.
she said something really nice. She was like, I'm tired of uh, comparing myself to other people. Like, I don't want to put myself in the place of someone who's fighting for an oxygen bed because I don't want to.
I
It's
know.
difficult, right? See, and everybody's struggle is different. You can't discount anyone's struggle.
Hmm,
Like
true.
अब मुझे कोई छोटा सा इशू है मेरे घर में बिजली अच्छा मेरे घर में फ्रिज खराब हो गया not that big a deal but for me on that day it was such a big deal bro like it was just like fuck everyone मेरा फ्रिज खराब हो गया है you know what I mean and I feel like they're all at par अब तेरा अलग है क्योंकि तू privileged है ठीक है
Exactly. I mean, I agree to this point of yours, wherein everybody's struggle is different, and also to the article about, yeah, I mean, unfortunately, I can't keep comparing myself to a person who's not getting an oxygen cylinder, and I'm sitting here and sipping off my coffee, and then feeling bad about the fact that I
yeah
am doing this while the other is going through that.
absolutely
I
yeah
mean, that's just unnecessary harm to yourself, and like,
yeah
you're ऐसा नहीं कि तुम जाके मदद कर रहे हो उसको. So
Exactly. Dude, मुझे बीच में guilty लग रहा था because I was like, यार मैं story डालूं. I used to ask Samara कि you should have put this up because like look at what's going on in the world. And she was like, I mean, think about देख ले. I mean, and it was normal. It was just me like playing the guitar or something. And I was feeling guilty about putting it up because I was like, I'm not sure. Because like the situation in India is so bad that how can I be showing myself as happy? You know what
No,
I
I know
mean?
what you're saying because I went to Goa just when the lockdown happened, and I was in Goa for like what 15 days.
Hmm.
And Goa
Hmm.
that time did not have a lockdown. So I was to going to the beach and having the best time of my life actually. But
Hmm.
I wanted to put up stories, but I was so scared about
Yeah,
like
yeah.
uh, getting some
People will give you shit. Yeah,
yeah,
people will give you shit.
yeah,
That's what I was
getting
worried
some
about.
comment that somebody goes like, dude, how can you do this when look what's
Yeah,
happening. And also I knew a certain friends whose family people had COVID and things were
yeah, yeah,
bad, and I was like, dude, that I don't know if it's like morally right on my part
yeah.
to like put this across, because somewhere I was like, so then
Hmm.
I was like, what, let's let it just be. And
But see, that's a good thing. Like in the beginning, of course, you have to think it's ethically correct what you did. You didn't put those stories. But अब तो हो गया ना, थोड़ा time भी हो गया. You thought about it, and eventually you got to start living your life. No, even in like war-torn countries like Afghanistan, people are still living normal lives also. No,
agreed.
so we have to find a balance. Otherwise, we'll also go mad.
Yeah, but people are more concerned with what is happening in other people's lives than their own lives, na. And that's what I'm
Hmm.
saying. Ki, that's why stories and even vlogs, for that matter, following people, where they're doing, what they're doing in their life. That person who's watching that vlog does not know what is happening with his sister in the
Yeah,
next room, but definitely
absolutely.
knows what's happening with that vlog guy when
Yeah,
that guy is traveling, and they're
correct.
very concerned with other people's lives, and that's why stories became so popular.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
What is this
Yeah,
one
yeah,
doing? What is that one doing? Acha, today, he went there. Shit.
yeah. And see, it's fun. I mean, see,
Fine.
as long as it's fun, it's fun. But as long as you're not getting like, oh my god, अब ये कर रहा है, fuck, मैं नस काट रहा हूँ. You know what I mean?
But
Like
that,
people
but
are.
that
That's
is
what I'm.
that is happening, na?
That's what. No, so that is that. If you can't find that balance on your own, then I mean, then you should probably not watch other people's stories. You know what I mean? Like,
Stop yourself.
yeah,
So I understand what you're saying about if you can't control yourself and understand ki it's just another person having fun, so you're fine with it. Live your own life types. But what I feel is over the period of time, people are faking it on
mm,
Instagram.
mm,
And when I know people and I see people who literally fake it, and the other person who may be sitting at home who's actually maybe happier than the other person, but
yeah.
because that whole story has come up, like whatever it is, seems
Uh,
like, bro, कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? What am I doing?
100%, yeah. And sometimes now you have to fake it. I'll give you an example. Once you have certain number of followers, like you get work based on your profile. So now that acting jobs have stopped, what we have to do, like अभी now you wanted to make a film, नहीं बन रहा है ना, मैं भी घर पे बैठा हूँ. So अगर मुझे brand collaboration चाहिए, कोई fun brand के साथ, तो मैं कुछ fun post करूंगा. So the brand approaches me. So sometimes, even though the situation is fuck all, I will have to do a fun thing. And you have to fake it because देख bro, eventually मेरा प्रोफाइल तो एक्टिंग के लिए है ना. अब मैंने कुछ डाला, ये वो फेक करके एंजॉय करके, मेरा वो मतलब नहीं कि वो आदमी हर्ट हो, बट मेरा.
Agreed.
So I feel like yeah, they, you never know what the other person is doing it for. The reason can be anything. Like मैं आयुष को कभी कभी पूछता हूँ तू क्या पोस्ट कर रहा है. He's like but चलता है. It works. Like if it's working, then what's the problem?
See,
Like
yeah, I understand what you're saying, but that's for actors.
correct. Or anyone, na bro, for that matter. Everyone wants to be an influencer.
Hmm.
Right now, on Instagram, everyone wants followers. Everyone wants to be an influencer.
Yeah, but I feel like everyone wants followers, everyone wants people to see it, okay, because that's become a new fad, which I agree ki you want to
Yeah.
increase your number and get that blue tick, which everybody
Hmm.
goes crazy about. But I'm talking about people who are not influencers and maybe
Hmm.
just putting things up and literally are just putting it up so that the world sees how what an amazing time they're having, but actually
Hmm.
they're not. Because I remember sitting in a restaurant, okay, and I was with
Hmm.
a friend, and there was
Hmm.
this group of like five people who were there next to me. It was
Hmm.
damn funny, and they were not even like really conversing with each other. I mean, when I'm with my friends, there's so much noise, people tell us to shut up. But
Hmm.
they were just sitting and just talking. They were slightly elderly, maybe in their late 30s or something. And suddenly one of them saying, okay, let's put his camera up. And out of nowhere, Rohan, there was this spark of
Yeah.
energy. that
Uh,
filled that space, you know. And suddenly there was like a ha and like a
uh,
ha, and then this one was pulling, and literally that one chick was pulling that other guy's hair and all. And they clicked a
uh.
few photos, they laughed and all, and they shut the phone, and then they became quiet again.
Instagram का point क्या है? If I upload like, oh, I'm bored at lunch, you know what I mean?
But
The
I
whole
feel that would
point,
connect more.
it will, but like, who, bro? Me and you are like 5% of the population.
Dude,
We are,
and that is why things are changing, na Rohan.
but bro, the person who's sitting and is bored, anyways, उसका life fuck all है. अब वो और fuck all चीज देखेगा Instagram पे तो बोलेगा सबका life fuck all है.
तो अच्छी बात है, खुश रहेगा ना भाई.
But what do you strive to, like cinema, all of these things, like it makes you, what are you looking, you're looking for a better life, or like a,
Everybody is, yes.
why does a Yashraj film feel so good? Because it's so much larger than life. It's so much like, you want that,
You want that.
you strive towards it. So what I think people are trying to achieve on Instagram is this amazing larger than life which you can, you know, strive to achieve. And that's why they are posting stuff like this, because then, you know, people will be like, अरे यार इसका life ऐसा है, पैसे कमा के ऐसा life बनाना है. You know what I mean? So I feel like that's what it's become.
Okay, so basically what you're saying is to each their own. Basically, you are hoping that people see it in a better way. You're saying that you see it in a better light than looking at it like, fuck, that person is enjoying so much and look where I am. My life is shit.
100%, dude. That's what I feel like. That's what I feel like you should do. Like, you know, sometimes when I see someone's post and I'm like, "Ore वाह यार ये travel कर रहा है, Greece जा रहा है." I'm like, यार मैं पैसे कमा के अगले साल पैसे बचा के जाऊंगा Greece. You know what I mean? Like, why don't you rather make that as a goal than, you know, sit and pity your own life? अब उसने किया है, अगर वो गया है Greece, तो bro उसने पैसा खर्चा किया है ना, उसने कमाया है ना, तो तू भी कर. I feel like that's how you should look at anything in life. But it is difficult, of course.
It is difficult, but I think it's a good take that if anybody who's watching would be able to at least try to shift their perspective in another different manner. I mean, now I will,
100%.
because I am not like you. I
Yeah.
don't see it like that. I don't see it in a great way at all. I mean, I do sometimes, but other times I'm like,
Yeah. No, I know. And that's the thing, you know,
and I
like,
hate seeing happy couples, okay, who are traveling around the world. My brain just can't handle it, you know. I'm just like, you know
but
what?
bro,
Go fuck
it's
yourself is what I want to say.
it's absolutely normal what you're feeling. That is the first thing you have to accept. I also feel like that. The first thing that I see, I was like, fuckers, ये लोग बहन, sorry, but ये लोग snow में जाके kiss कर रहे हैं. मैंने कभी snow नहीं देखा लाइफ में इधर. तो like snow में लेटे हुए. But bro, वो अच्छा है. That, you know, when you feel that is when now you have two choices, right? Now you have two choices to either like be like, oh fuck, maybe jaunga snow. Yeah, fuck them. You know what I mean? So
Fuck
so
my
अब
life.
अब वहां से तो करना है ना डिसीजन, वहां से तो अपने आप को बेटर करने का, like that's, I feel like it comes from your mindset. Like everything is about I read this somewhere that every day you wake up you should try to make a better version of yourself.
Yes.
And that's it, dude. Like अब मेरे को कल गिटार पे एक गाना नहीं आता था, मैंने आज आधा सीख लिया, तो मैं थोड़ा सा तो बेटर हो गया ना
So better
लाइफ
than
में.
yesterday.
That's it, bro. That's all. If you have that thinking all the time, then everything you look at like that. So yeah, अभी थोड़ा
And that
preachy
is,
हो गया.
yeah, but that is, yeah, but I understand that is practice.
Now I'll tell you. So I'll tell you very honestly why I put workout videos. First, I started is because मेरे घर में ज़्यादा mirrors नहीं है. So when you are in the gym, you need a mirror because you have to see what you're doing wrong. कहीं से मैं टेढ़ा हो रहा हूँ, कहीं से ऊपर नीचे सही नहीं हो रहा है. If I'm squatting, am I using my right leg more? Am I using my left leg more? All that is very important. Otherwise, you'll get a back pain, you'll get a this pain, that pain. So you don't only need a front mirror, you also need a mirror here in certain exercises. So I started putting the phone in front of me ताकि मुझे दिखे मैं
You
क्या
can
करूँ.
see.
फिर मैंने बोला मैं वीडियो ही लेता हूँ ना, बाद में देखूंगा. Why should I
Okay.
see it
Why
while
stop
working
my?
out?
But you have to
Exactly.
connect while working out only, na, Baba.
Correct. But if I watch the video after a set, then my next set I'm perfect now because I know exactly what I'm doing wrong.
Okay.
So I started taking a video.
Okay.
Then I said, bro, अब ये video ले लिया, अब डाल दो. You know what I mean? So
अब ले लिया, डाल ही देता हूँ मैं.
Exactly. And bro, so many people message me that देखो देख के bro motivate हो रहे हैं, and not only random people, my friends. who
Really?
I've worked out with, who have not worked out with also, and who are some of them really fit. They're like, "Arey, dude, I'm not getting motivated. How you doing it?" This. Then we have a conversation. Some of them, like at least six, seven of them, have joined me on video call and worked out with me.
What?
Yeah, and tu aja whenever you want. There were so many people.
Wow.
Because, dude, in the last lockdown, we had a video call with five people. Five of us are working out together. और सब अपना कर रहे हैं.
Oh,
But
that's
it was
amazing.
that's what I'm saying. It's just the motivation that when you see someone, you're like, "Arey, cool man, he can do it. Then why the hell can't I do it?" And for me, honestly, it was just routine. Because क्या हो रहा था मैं बीच में I was sleeping at 4 o'clock. I was getting up at 12 o'clock. Whole day I was lazy. So one day I decided मैं 8:30-9 बजे उठूंगा और workout करूँ. And I did it, and I felt good. So the next day I did again, and then I set a routine कि मैं सुबह उठूंगा, workout करूंगा, खाना खाऊंगा, सो जाऊंगा, फिर शाम को chill करूंगा, फिर TV देखूंगा. So now I don't put on my TV till 7 in the evening.
Oh, wow.
Ever.
Really? Like,
Yeah. At all. And I wake up, whatever time I wake up, even if I wake up at 11, 12:30, I work out. So that way, workout is out of the way, थोड़ा body भी fresh हो जाता है, और अब routine set हो गया है, और video भी मिल जाते हैं. You
or
know what I
video.
mean?
Yeah, I know. And like that's what I was talking about workout videos now. Like since a while now, everybody puts up workout videos.
Yeah.
I don't even know half of them are working out. I really don't think half of them are working out. I think they just wear their yoga pants and stuff like that, and they're just like done for the day, loving, feeling so fresh. Because I have a friend who's been putting up this video for like a year. Okay, and whenever I see him, and I'm like, dude, you lost weight, buddy. Like. You look, but I'm like, dude, मतलब same ही लग रहा है. एक साल से रोज तो कर रहा है, but done and like like showing whatever you have, and I'm like, but I don't see any change. He's like, करना पड़ता है. I'm like, किस लिए
But
करना पड़ता है, भाई? I just want to know what do you think is the thought process of maybe working out and putting up the video? Like, what are we trying to get? What is behind this whole thing?
yeah, very, very honestly, I'll tell you, it is that 1%, 5% पकड़ ले ऑफ शो ऑफ, वो तो है ही. 100% है वो. 100% उसमें झूठ झूठ बोल के कोई फायदा नहीं है. तो वो है कि मैं वर्कआउट कर रहा हूँ, देखो. वो है.
Okay.
100% वो है. वो फीलिंग से ही स्टार्ट होता है सब कुछ. After that, it's a couple of things. I think it's one is like, I'm doing it, why can't you? That is one thing that is always there in my head, that I'm working out, so you should also. And the second is that I'm working hard, even though like I want, you want people to know that you're working hard. It's like how you want your parents to know you've done something and you've done well. It's that feeling of कि मतलब मैं जिंदा हूँ. मैंने कुछ किया है, देख लो.
आज मैं खाली घर पे नहीं बैठा था, मैं थोड़ा जॉग भी किया, मैं थोड़ा वर्कआउट भी कर लिया.
Exactly. और उसमें क्या गलत है? मतलब ठीक है ना.
My sister is she's on Instagram. She never posts, never. Okay, maybe very once in a while I'll see a post of
But she sees everything, na?
everything. She sees
Love it.
everything and comments also with hearts and like thumbs up and stuff like that. But she never posts. But I know she sees everything, likes everything. Every time I like somebody's photo, she's already liked it. And I'm like, when I talk to her and I'm like, did you see that girl's story? She's doing this and all. She's like, yeah, so cool, man. I think we should also try it the next time and all. So I know that she takes it in the right way. Like these stories don't really affect her in any way, like even if somebody is having a child, if somebody is like whatever it is, going out or prepared food, whatever happy moments they are, she doesn't look at it thinking ki shit, why am I in this space right now? It's more like, yeah, good now that person is having fun, let them have fun.
Yeah, exactly. And yeah, that's how it should be. Matlab, like everyone should be like her sister, basically, in life.
And like Rohan, and not be really concerned about what other people are doing. I mean, it's great to see what they're doing, but I think getting affected is what we need
Yeah.
to. So, do you by any chance think that life would be better without these stories? Would we go to a better time? Do you think that it would increase the conversation that you have with a friend? Like, just giving you an example, suppose if I, like earlier when I used to go the states or whatever, and I've gone to a place and I've had, I mean, I click pictures, but obviously I don't have a way of instantly sharing every day 20 days,
Hmm.
seconds or whatever. I will post
Hmm.
because Instagram is there. Maybe I'll post one today, I'll post a photo tomorrow, I'll post a photo day after, and then I will come back and I'll meet you and I'll be like, bro, check out what happened on this day. You saw that photo when I was eating whatever, but this is what happened that same
Hmm.
day.
Hmm. Hmm.
And there's so much more that I would give you, and
Hmm.
that you would take from me.
Hmm.
But don't you think that now, since, like, suppose if I go for a holiday or you go for a holiday, you would post, right? Because that's
Hmm.
what we do now. So you coming down, I'm not even going to, I mean, I won't even ask you how was it. I will tell you ki bhai, it looks like you had a lot of fun,
Yeah.
because the whole way
Correct.
of speaking has changed now thanks to stories. So don't you
Correct.
think in a way it would have been better if there is a certain cut down on that, or like if there was no stories and we went back to just normal, like posting photos like on your Facebook or Instagram? Wouldn't that be easier?
Yeah, I don't know, man. There's always two sides. No, like what you're saying is absolutely right, and it will increase conversation. But now it's also so much easier to converse with so many people. Na? Now it's not only like my 5 close friends will know my story about when I went to the US. Now my 10,000 people who are following me know everything,
Hmm.
right? And my 5 close friends know the actual stories. You know what I mean?
Hmm.
So I think technology and all of this social media is amazing. I think it's such a great way to be in touch with people. मैं लोगों को number नहीं देता हूँ मेरा. I say follow me on Instagram and whoever I want, because it's easier to stay in touch,
Agree.
and that's what it's made for. I mean, पुराना समय अच्छा था, of course, but now अब वो balance ढूंढना हमारे ऊपर है ना.
Hmm.
Like it's all about that. Like I feel like people are not being able to cope with the fact that वो ये भी करना है वो भी करना है फिर बातें भी करनी है लोग से. ये कैसा होगा bro? So
Hmm.
I mean you have to, that's on, and difficult है 100%. Like sometimes it's hard to sit and just have a conversation nowadays. Like even if I sit with my friends, I'm like, let's watch something, but that's the effort you have to make, right? Like, I mean, that's again, it's everything's on you. See, basically, जो भी गलत चल रहा है ना
It's
world में,
on you.
it's on you.
Look at yourself in the mirror. It's you.
हाँ, exactly, bro. ये सब कुछ ना बाहर बाहर की चीजों पे हम बहुत फोकस करते हैं. ये प्रॉब्लम है, वो
Satguru,
प्रॉब्लम
Satguru, Rohan.
है. प्रॉब्लम तू है. तू
Problem तुम में है, तुझ में है.
तू.
Great. I think it was amazing. I don't know about others, but at least now, at least I'll try to look at stories in a.
Yeah.
Not that guys are not like looking at your stories and hoping that these things don't happen for you all in life. I look at it very nicely. It's not like I'm a
नहीं,
very.
देख कभी कभी वो भी चलेगा. It's fine, bro. इतना सोचने का नहीं.
I look at it very positively, guys. I'm very happy for people who are doing great in life, especially all the couples.
Yeah.
Go for it. Show me your photos when you're in Kashmir.
हाँ,
Wherever you're at. No problem. But
no problem.
I will look at it in a better way. I'm going to do this. And now, since
100%.
we're almost like finishing the conversation, tell me now, what is this cool thing that
Oh, so yeah. So I want to change about Instagram stories,
stories
right?
change, add, whatever.
Correct. Oh shit, I've forgotten again. But
कुछ
अरे
नहीं,
यार,
टेंशन नहीं लेने का रोहन. It's all okay.
bro, I thought of something really nice. Yeah. हाँ.
What is it?
So the person watching the story should have a you know how poll hota hai? Yes, no poll.
Huh.
So the person watching the story should have a feedback thing, which will go to Instagram. Has this story affected you positively or negatively? उसने click कर देने का. Then
Dude, you
वो
have any
feedback.
idea how it would shut down? This is your way of shutting down Instagram.
No, but bro,
Because
I'm
you have
not
no
saying
idea.
that.
How many
that
people will say
doesn't-
negative, 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 negative?
No,
बंद कर दो.
So good, na. So I'm not saying that information should go to the influencer. That
No,
information
no.
should go
Go
to
to
Instagram.
So that's what
ठीक है.
Instagram will realize.
So
na?
then the next time you put something, Instagram can probably tell you that this is affecting people negatively. ऐसा डाल तो positive होगा ना. Bro, देख
Oh,
रिसर्च में कुछ भी हो रहा है आजकल. टेक में मतलब लोग अलग ही लेवल पहुंच गए हैं. तो आई थिंक
I think
अच्छा
that's a
आइडिया.
cool feature.
या
I
ऑफ
think that's a
कोर्स.
great feature. Yeah, you really thought
या
about it, didn't you?
100% bro.
I hope if later on in like 1-2 years Instagram does this, I'm
हाँ.
going to laugh so much and be like, oh my
अरे ब्रो अब भी कॉपीराइट कर लेते हैं. बहुत पैसा मिलेगा इसका.
yeah, I think that's a great idea. Yeah.
I honestly don't feel like doing shit nowadays, bro.
I don't
Like I just don't want to do anything.
anything because somewhere I think, what's the point?
Exactly. And we are all
Yes.
thinking like that. But
And I thought something's wrong with me.
I'm happy that you're doing this, यार. Like अब देखो देख के and अगर वो भी होता है ना कि यार shit यार वो कर रहा है यार, fuck man, तो वो jealousy को भी use कर सकते हो.
In a
I'm
better
saying
way.
use whatever, yeah, whatever.
Whatever you can like put and drive yourself basically, no?
100%. झूठ बोलने का, खुद को झूठ बोलने का. झूठ बोलते रहने का.
No, but I know I completely understand about this not wanting to read your own script. So basically, I'm pitching my feature film right now. It's a great time because people are free. I mean, actors and all are free. Not that they give me time on Zoom call and stuff
Correct.
like that. So for a very long time, I didn't even like get back to people, actors who had messaged me because, dude, I was not getting the motivation to open my script only. I
Yeah.
didn't want to read it only. I was like, I don't want to read it only. I'm not in that zone to really
Yeah.
read it, you know. Literally till one day before the narration at night at 2 o'clock, I was like, Kal hai thoda. I'll just
हाँ.
brush through it and then because I started brushing through it, I had to go through the whole thing. But
Yeah.
I feel like again, I think don't force yourself to sit and do something.
Yeah, it's fine, man.
When
Chill.
you feel like you're doing it, do it because right now nobody is in any mood to do anything, frankly.
Yeah. And it's okay, bro. Sometimes you just need time to yourself to just sit and think. And I think the last lockdown helped me that way only because I just sat and thought about मुझे क्या करना है, bro. And that also sometimes just to stop, take a breather, relax, eat Oreo and Nutella and
Love it.
think. Yeah, that gives you a lot of perspective about your own life. कि तुझे करना क्या है.
It gave, and that's what I feel. That's what the lockdown did. Now we are not used to sitting at home, na Rohan, and doing nothing.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Great.
Awesome.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you. It was a fun conversation.
See you. Yes. Take
Bye.
care.
Thank you.
Bye. See you.